Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my class as well as. సో నిన్న ఏంటంటే మనం టోటల్గా సీక్వల్ సర్వర్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసాం లైక్ క్లస్టర్ ఇండెక్స్ ఏంటి, నాన్ క్లస్టర్ ఇండెక్స్ ఏంటి అనేది. నాన్ క్లస్టర్ ఇండెక్స్ అనేది మనం క్రియేట్ చేయలేదు. జస్ట్ ఎస్టర్డే వీ హ్యావ్ క్రియేటెడ్ ద క్లస్టర్ ఇండెక్స్ అండ్ చెక్ చేద్దాం. సో నిన్న మనం ఐడీస్ క్రియేట్ చేసాము. క్లస్టర్ ఇండెక్స్ ఆల్రెడీ కూడా క్రియేట్ చేసాం విత్ ఐడి. నేమ్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయలేదు ఎందుకంటే డూప్లికేట్ వాల్యూస్ ఉంటాయి, సో ఇట్ వోంట్ బి యాక్సెప్టెడ్ అని చెప్పేసి. సో ఈరోజు సేమ్ థింగ్ మనం చెక్ చేసేది ఏంటంటే క్లస్టర్ ఇండెక్స్ ఒక కాలమ్కి మాత్రమేనా లేకపోతే 2-3 కాలమ్స్కి మనం అప్లై చేయొచ్చా అనేది ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సీ. ఎస్టర్డే వీ హ్యావ్ given the cluster index to the id. Okay, today we are going to give the id to the name. Okay, let's go. There is a cluster index already created. Here is the cluster index. Go to the properties. So here first we can provided id and next this is the name we are already having. So I want to move it into the up. So the first priority is the cluster index is name. I don't want any duplicate names and I want it in an order. So I preferred name as a first preference and I have mentioned it is in the first. And see here I was selected unique. Unique means it won't accept the duplicate values and the repetition values also, repetition numbers, whatever it is. So okay, let's create. Okay, it was created and see before the id having the cluster index, now name having the cluster index. Let's see how the format will be. See, the format was changed because we have mentioned name as a cluster index and it was taken as alphabetical order A G E S. Okay, and that too we have selected unique values and here 4 3 4 1 2 because it is in a non-order because this is the second priority. Okay, and I am creating one more index. We can create a s already is there, so we can remove this s and I can mention like anything zebra. Okay, execute. It was executed and see it came as a lost, but the id is 3. Why? Because cluster index having the name only one column. That is what we have discussed yesterday. And I have created one more table with the duplicate values to understand clearly. Okay, so let's start from cluster. I just created one. In here id having the unique numbers and the subject also having the sql ms sql java and database, and the name you can see Gana and Shankar and Gana. There isn't two duplicate values. See, there isn't two duplicate values. Now we are going to creating cluster index for this one. Tables, there is a cluster plus symbol, and index there is no index created and I have not created any primary key for this one. Okay, just new index, cluster index, and I am selecting the unique and the name having the duplicate values id and the subject there is no duplicate values. So let's see it was created or is there any error will be. See, there is an error. What is that statement terminated because the duplicate key was found for the object name devoid of cluster. Okay, so I'm just click on okay. Now I want the cluster index even if there isn't duplicate values also. There is a repetition numbers or repetition names also there, but I need the cluster. It is in I need the one order and I want to mention in a cluster. Okay, I just uncheck this unique box and click on OK. So it was created. See, cluster index was created even there isn't duplicate values because we have unchecked the unique. Okay, let's go and execute. See, I have executed 1 3 4 2. It is an unordered Java SQL something else, but here It is in alphabetical order. First G, 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 and S. Now you understand the what will happen when you check the unique cluster and the unchecked the unique ununique cluster. Like you can assume like that also. Here also we have an, and I'm going to change again for this one to the I need the unique, and I want to add ID here, and I'm going to give the first preference. Okay, see, if the name having the first preference, it will take name only. Otherwise, if I'm giving the ID is the first preference, so it is going to be. I want the from the small order, so I say selected ascending. Just click on OK. The apply changes the index will be recreated. Okay, so it was recreated for the cluster. Now we can see ID 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the cluster index with selecting option unique, unique, and unchecking the unique. Hope you understand everyone. If anyone watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe, and we are going to explaining next the fragmentation, as well as we will check the fragmentation and the statistics and primary keys and moreover. Okay, stay connected with me. Thank you for watching.